progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Meet Master Soborno Isaac Bari, the youngest professor globally. When Soborno was 2 years old, people requested his parents to change his name from Soborno Bari to Isaac, after Sir Isaac Newton. Although his parents initially didn't pay much heed to it, they soon discovered Soborno's ability to grasp complex concepts that weren't taught to him. Soborno started talking full sentences when he was just 6 months old. At the age of 2, he could solve maths, physics, and chemistry problems. Proud parents started sharing his videos on the internet, after which news channels based in New York started contacting him. 2-year-old Soborno was interviewed at Voice of America, where he was seen solving advanced chemistry, physics, and mathematics problems like a piece of cake. He obtained a recognition letter from President Barack Obama in the year 2018. In the letter, Obama spoke about how proud him and Michelle were of Isaac Bari. Aiming to spread love and harmony in the world, the 9-year-old has authored a 70-page book called The Love that aims to spread peace and happiness. His book relates 10 stories which are a child's call for communal harmony, religious tolerance, and world peace. In his book, he even details an episode of conflict with his mother when he questions why, being a Muslim, he can't celebrate Christmas. In order to cultivate harmony and religious tolerance, Soborno urges that children across the world must be allowed to celebrate whichever religious holiday they want, irrespective of their faith. The world's youngest professor received the Global Child Prodigy Award in January 2020 for his intelligence. He was among the top 100 child prodigies of the year. He soon began receiving letters from presidents and chancellors of various universities like Oxford and Harvard. The son of Bangladeshi immigrants Rashidul and Shahida Bari, Soborno can effortlessly answer PhD-level chemistry, math, and physics problems. He also knows C++ coding. Nobel Prize 2021 nominee, Soborno aims to go to college early so that he can acquire multiple doctorate degrees. The young Indian American also plans to write a book on mathematics to try and eliminate maths anxiety among people. While we find most 9-year-olds casually visiting amusement parks and wishing for new toys, Soborno has different plans. A gifted child, his story serves as inspiration to others.